Hi, I'm Amber Brewer. Welcome to my new listing at 7921 Harvard Drive. This home is located in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in all of Ben Lomond. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is 1,525 square feet. Sitting on an 11,891 square foot lot, there's plenty of greenery and space surrounding you in this tranquil environment. Located about 25 minutes from Santa Cruz, 10 minutes from Felton, a short jog to downtown Ben Lomond, and within minutes of lots of outdoor recreation. This home is in a well-established neighborhood and a tight-knit, beautiful mountain community.